Hi, this is JP Lennox, and I hope everyone's keeping their spirits up. It is very hot outside, and I don't know why I chose to wear a long sleeve, but I did. And this is the neighborhood of Rainbow Hills, and it's just beautiful. It's really nice, it's really pleasant, it's really quiet outside. We're in San Antonio, Texas, and the homes are just beautiful. It's really nice, it's lovely. And I hope everyone's keeping up with these challenges, the aspirations, taking on some of these recipes, and just doing your thing. So one day home ownership would be a wonderful, wonderful goal to have accomplished for myself. I don't know if my phone is over here moving around or not. Well, it probably is. But if I can do that someday, that would be great. So I'm kind of getting an idea of like what's out here right now, right? And I thought I'd share with you guys some of these houses that are out here because, hey, maybe you're in the market for something right now. But right now, I'm still looking as far as that goes. And checking out the neighborhoods. And this neighborhood actually is really nice. It's really nice. I've already run into some people outside and they're actually really friendly. It's really quiet, you know? And it's really cool to be able to have your family at. So, I mean, to some people, they're like, oh no, if it's too quiet, oh my gosh. No, I don't want no nosy neighbors up in my stuff. No, if you own your home, you ain't got nothing to worry about. You know, you got to worry about all that stuff if you are in like an apartment or something. But I don't know. I've never really had to worry about all that stuff. So I don't know. We're just kind of taking a look around and getting some sun, some air. Okay, now I see like a wolf dog out and everything. This is about ready to eat me. Oh my gosh, and I'm over here looking like a wonderful piece of meat. Oh yeah, it already spotted me. So yeah. Whew. Hello. But it's really nice. It's nice. Houses are ranging anywhere from $200,000 right now up to $1.3 million. And so I'm going to be taking you on a couple of, actually on several adventures to go and price out some houses. I'll take you inside of these homes and I'm going to give you an insight of what they look like. And I'm going to let you see the square footage, or I'm going to tell you what the square footage is and how far your dollar can go, what your dollar can buy you, and exactly what these homes will get you, you know, and pretty much let you see just, you know, what the neighborhood's like. Now I'm going to show you some neighborhoods too that just, you know, just so that way you have an idea, because some people are looking for like places and stuff like that, and some neighborhoods are, you know, kind of nicer than others. So before you go and get yourself into something that you're really not ready for, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna help you out. So this neighborhood's actually a really nice neighborhood. So yeah, I'm gonna do my little return back and hope I don't get eaten by the dog. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not trying to get eaten today. Not in that way, you know what I'm saying? Sure. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Not today. So I wish I knew the model home. I didn't bring the brochure with me, but the lady did not tell me that. she was really big, actually. So that was kind of like a little red flag. But the home was really nice. There was some things that I would have changed. Like, she showed me the house and it didn't have a working light inside of the garage, right? But she pulled out her phone and she showed me like this brand new water softener machine and then the reverse osmosis machine underneath the kitchen sink. I was like, whoa, you know, that was major upgrades. And the machine was like so skinny, it was brand new. Normally a water softener machine is huge, bulky, and ugly, and it's just not anything nice to see. It's like, it's a sore eye type of thing to even be witnessing, right? That thing was actually really nice. So I'm glad that she showed me that, because then that kind of had something to brighten up the garage. The garage is like a 1.5 car garage, and it made up for the rest of the house made up for that one tiny little 1 car garage. The driveway holds 2 to 3 cars. The pool, she did mention that the owner had said that you do have to get the heater replaced for the jacuzzi yourself, right? So I think that's probably what lowered the price of the house. And the house is already listed way below market. So I was like, oh my gosh, jump on that house, you know what I'm saying? I was like, $290,000, that's actually really good. Really good. I was like, oh my gosh. And it's a 5-bedroom. And then it's on like 5 to 7,000, I don't know. It was like, when I had read it on the form that I was looking at before, she gave me some 0.153 something quarter acre or some, well, whatever acreage that she was giving me, it was totally different. So the whole square foot of a lot that it's on, it's actually really big, and the rooms are huge. I was like, how did you guys fit all these rooms inside of that house? And it just wraps all the way around inside of there. But I would have totally knocked down the rest of that wall for that stairway and made that stairway kind of open up a little bit. You know, that's just me. That's how I would have did it, you know, and just made some changes myself. But I'm loving those cabinets. Those look very new, and they did really good with those. And instead of just having one room with see, I told you about to get eaten by a dog. Oh my god. No. See, I told you. You see that? I'm so glad I'm on camera, shoot. So there was just a lot of things that made up for a lot of things. The living room was huge, the family room was huge, the kitchen was just huge. Then there was so much counter space. There was so much. It was just beautiful. So I didn't even get to show you all the counter and all of the cabinets. All the cabinet space underneath. So yeah, that was the first video of showing you inside of a house. Hopefully the next video will be a lot better, but now you have an idea of what to expect of a house out here in San Antonio. Maybe there's other houses that you've seen that maybe offer a little bit more, maybe the layouts are a little bit different. But comment down below if that's something that you would actually purchase for yourself, or, you know, have you ever considered moving to San Antonio or anything of that nature? Yeah, let me know. And let me know if you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.